In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the divider color in Notion. If you're a Notion user, you know how handy it is for organizing thoughts and projects, and adding a splash of color to dividers can help you visually categorize sections in your workspace, making your documents not only functional but also aesthetically pleasing. Let's dive into it. First, you'll want to navigate to your Notion workspace. You can do this by opening your web browser and going to the Notion website. Once you're on the site, you'll see an option to log in, likely at the top right of your screen. Click on Log In. If you've set up your Notion account with Google, simply click Google when prompted. This will redirect you to Google's login page. Here, select your account from the list available. Ensure you choose the account associated with your Notion workspace. Once you're logged in, you will be redirected back to Notion. Now you're ready to make these colorful changes. Next, you'll need to insert some code into your Notion page. This might sound complicated, but I promise it's straightforward. You need to copy the specific code designated for changing divider colors. Simply highlight the code provided, right-click, and choose Copy. Once copied, navigate to the section of your Notion page where you want to insert the colorful divider. Click on a new line, right-click, and then choose Paste to insert the code. Now this is where the magic happens. Highlight the pasted code. After highlighting, you'll need to transform it into an equation. Do this by formatting the text. There should be an option labeled Equation in the formatting menu. Click on that, and your highlighted code will transform. The default color in the code might be red, but you can change it to any color you like. To do so, simply look for the word red within the code and replace it with another color of your choice, like green or blue. For example, simply typing in green will change the color of your divider to green. Once your color selection is complete, click on Done. This will save your changes, and your divider will now appear in the color you selected. If you find that you want to add another colored divider elsewhere in your document, the process is just the same. Paste the code in your chosen location, convert it into an equation, change the color if desired, and then click Done to save. And that's it. Customize your Notion workspace with vibrant dividers to create a better organized and visually engaging setup. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.